Today I will show you how to check out a book on the app called OverDrive. Select OverDrive, and this is my bookshelf. I'll go to Menu, select the library, search the title that I'm looking for, Little Women, and find the audiobook that I want to borrow. Select Borrow. Choose the amount of time I'd like to borrow for, hit Borrow again. Now it'll prompt you to download the MP3. Click Download, and you can see that processing in your files. So the book is now downloading. Once that's complete, go back to the main menu, go to your bookshelf, and you'll see the book is now on your bookshelf. You can click it and it's ready to listen to. And that's how you check out a book on OverDrive.